welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit Cako filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.50. Contrast to -19. Highlights to -46. Shadows to 85. Whites to 22. And blacks to -40. Next, go to Color. Temperature to 24. Tint to 27. Vibrance to 43. And saturation to -30. Next, go to Color Mix. For red, saturation to 28. And luminance to 30. For orange, hue to -12. And luminance to 27. For yellow, hue to -58. Saturation to -82. And luminance to 40. For green, hue to -74. Saturation to -74. And luminance to -48. For aqua, hue to 11. Saturation to -29. And luminance to 15. For blue, hue to -57. Saturation to -27. And luminance to 28. For purple, hue to -15. For pink, hue to 20. And saturation to -8. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to 60. Next, go to Detail. Sharpening to 12. Noise reduction to 10. Contrast to 10. And color noise reduction to 12. And last, go to Optics. Turn on Remove Chromatic Aberration. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.